गुलशन को जो जरखेज कर गई, जहन के गुलशन को जो जरखेज कर गई, सद शुक्रिया इस तजर्बे की खाद के लिए। तलखियाँ समझाई मुझको नर्म लहजे में, तलखियाँ समझाई मुझको नर्म लहजे में, तैयार कर दिया है हर एक सैयार के लिए। जिसने तमाम खूबियाँ निखार दी मेरी, जिसने तमाम खूबियाँ निखार दी मेरी, मशहूर हुई सब्रे ज़ुबान के लिए। हर सांस दुआ गो है मेरी, हर सांस दुआ गो है मेरी, ए मेरे मोहसिन तेरे सकूं और दिले आबाद के लिए। Please put your hands together for welcoming our next performance.
Muiz Ahmed. With his incredible intelligence, marvelous behavior, and dedication toward his study, he always proves himself a shining example of academic excellence. Though he is a brilliant and top scorer student of his class, he is not aware about aim and the purpose of his life. Do you want to know how he can overcome this missing element in his personality? If yes, then let's visit his class. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Congratulations to all my beloved students who are promoted in new class. You all have filled vibrant colors in previous academic years with your hard work, passion, creativity and commitment. And it seems from your results that you all will gain exceptional success in your future. Okay beta, anyone from you who want to share your dreams with us?
Yes, teacher, I want to share my dream.
Good, Eliza. I always appreciate the student who take initiative.
Thanks, teacher. Teacher, I want to be a doctor. I want to help those people who can't approach the expensive hospitals and die due to the less financial resources.
Mashallah, beautiful thoughts you have, my dear. Anyone else? Yes, Muiz, you are a brilliant and shining student of this class. And you got the highest marks as well.
Yes, teacher, thank you. Your appreciation means a lot.
Do you have any dream? What is your aim in life?
Aim? Aim of life? I didn't think about it before. Even this word is not familiar for me. No one has ever asked me this question before. Is it a book or a novel? Should I read it or a movie? Should I watch it?
No, my dear. Aim is not a book, not a novel, and not a movie. But it is the essence of life of every human being. Without aim, life is like a canvas without painting, a flower without fragrance, a journey without destination. Without aim, there is no purpose of life. You can only be a high achiever by setting high aim. Okay, let me show you the vision of my worthy teacher about aim. How he set my aim by giving me 10 golden steps. Do you want to listen him? Okay, let me play a one clip for you.
ये 10 ऐसे टिप्स हैं, 10 ट्रेट्स हैं, 10 क्वालिटीज़ हैं, 10 हैबिट्स हैं जो इंसान को वैल्यूएबल बनाती हैं। जिस इंसान के अंदर ये 10 पॉइंट्स, 10 हैबिट्स, 10 क्वालिटीज़ आ जाएंगी तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरा ईमान है इस बात पर कि वो इंसान ना सिर्फ वैल्यूएबल बनेगा, हाई अचीवर बनेगा, बल्कि सक्सेसफुल पर्सन बनेगा। वो ड्रीम बिग के ऊपर बिलीव करता है, वो हाई एम के साथ ज़िंदगी गुजारता है, क्योंकि उसे पता होता है कि ड्रीम इज़ अ कंडीशन टू गेट द डेस्टिनेशन। जो ड्रीम रखता नहीं है, मीन वो शर्त पूरी नहीं करता, तो वो डेस्टिनेशन को कैसे अचीव कर लेगा, ड्रीम कैसे कम ट्रू हो जाएगा।
He guided me. If I have a big and positive dream, I must have belief in myself and Allah. His vision about hard work tells me, always be the first drop of rain. Means take initiative and start hard work.
बेटा, आई डोंट बिलीव इन गुड लक। याद रखना, जो हार्ड वर्क नहीं करता उसकी गुड लक कभी नहीं होती। बिलीव इन हार्ड वर्क। अल्लाह और अल्लाह के प्यारे नबी ने हमें जो दर्स दिया है वो डू मोर का है, स्ट्रगल का है, हार्ड वर्क का है, एफर्ट्स का है।
He also guided me how I can stay positive in every situation which I can face when I will accept all the challenges and conquer my limits. You can be a high achiever if you will be innovative, humble, sincere, disciplined, and respectful for elders.
It means without aim, we are nothing, and without direction, our efforts are useless.
Yes, my dear, you should set the aim of your life if you want to be a successful and a valuable person.
राह पे चल बंदिया, बंदिया रे बंदिया, बंदिया रे बंदिया, राह पे चल बंदिया। रुक जा रे बंदिया, ये रात जरा सी है, बात समझ बंदिया, कुछ देर ही बाकी है। रख यकीन आँखों से बादल, आज हट जाएगा। चाँद तेरी आँखों में बंदिया चल के आएगा।
माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुनो मुसाफिर हो, कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर। कदम कदम मिलाए जा, गगन गगन झुकाए जा, रख हौसला कर फैसला, तुझे वक्त बदलना है।
इसको बटन नहीं दबाना, ठीक है बेटा, ये पकड़ो, ऊपर से पकड़ना है। ये दे
उड़ने की तमन्ना
performance by the students of Al Qaim campus.
I always had the passion to serve my people and the Muslims all over the world. Being a soldier, I can fulfill my dream. You have given a true meaning to my life, and I will have to make sure I never forget these 10 golden steps. My honorable sir, your great model of high achiever has been a guiding light for me. We are indeed small plants today, but with your inspiration, we strive to be mighty trees tomorrow. My worthy sir, thank you so much. I got to understand the meaning of AIM today. This is the high time to express my gratitude to my beloved teacher who gave me wisdom, knowledge, a clear vision to think, learn and to get more. The teacher of Prajain Group of Schools and Colleges, Sir Javed Iqbal. Sir, I promise you, I'll follow your steps. I will set the high aim. With my high aim, I will have faith in myself and Allah. I will take the initiative and start hard work. I will accept the challenges and conquer my limits. I will be innovative by staying positive and respecting my elders and teachers. I'll be humble, sincere and disciplined and accomplish my aim. Someone truly said, दस्ते नाजुक पे वो लोहो कलम देता है, नौनिहालों को कंदीले हरम देता है। इल्म बांटता फिरता है वो सूरज की तरह, इल्म बांटता फिरता है वो सूरज की तरह, जब वो डूबता है तो सितारों को जन्म देता है। Alhamdulillah, I belong to a system that has completed its 26 years of experience, expertise and excellence. Sir, you're a guiding star that shines bright. Sir, your words are full of wisdom that guides us. You gave us a treasure trove of knowledge. Your smile is contagious. Your kindness and compassion inspires us. Your eyes are windows to wells of knowledge. Your heart is a treasure of love. The one person we all lovingly call teacher, our esteemed chairman, Sir Javed Iqbal. Guiding star, will you come on the stage with us?
As we are celebrating the magic of teaching, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the most awaited
Sir Javed Iqbal, with a tiny, twinkling and talented face, who have added a touch of magic to this beautiful event.
I would like
Students, they have invited the supreme leader, a great teacher, Sir Javed Iqbal, in a beautiful manner.
And I would like to request my respectable ma'am Sofia to come on the stage as well.
Parents, I guess the performance was presented by the students. This clap is not justified. To lit the candle of light and knowledge, to dispel the darkness of ignorance, the chairman, Braden Group of Schools and Colleges, Sir Javed Iqbal, Director Operations, Ma'am Sobia Khalil, the students of Al Kareem campus, they are present on the stage of Arts Council.
Hello everyone. Today I want you to give a standing applause to our incredible teacher who taught us everything that we know today. Give a standing applause to our beloved teacher, Sir Javed
संगे बेकीमत तराशा और जौहर कर दिया, संगे बेकीमत तराशा और जौहर कर दिया, शमाए इल्म आगही से दिल मुनव्वर कर दिया, फिक्रो फन तहजीब व हिकमत दी शऊर व आगही, फिक्रो फन तहजीब व हिकमत दी शऊर व आगही, गुमशुदा ने राह को गोया रहबर कर दिया। चश्मे फैज और दस्तो पारस सिफ्त जब छू गए, चश्मो फैज और दस्तो पारस सिफ्त जब छू गए, मुझको मट्टी से उठाया और फलक पर कर दिया। No doubt these are teachers who are enlightening the lives of the students and who are showing them the paths to their great success, and I am very much hopeful the students of Al Kareem campus, more than the strength of 700, alhamdulillah, is going to have their aim set right today to get the bright future very soon, inshallah, because they are seeing many successful personalities here today in the form of the chairman Burden Group of Schools and Colleges, in the form of director operations of Burden Group of Schools and Colleges.